So when Beyonce said, can't believe we made it, this is why we famous, this is why we thankful, Beyonce was not just singing a song. In essence, what she was talking about her career and her journey. So you might see Beyonce right now and be saying, okay, it's easy for her to say that. You put Jay-Z money together, her money together, they close to being a billionaire. So it might be easy, right? But you got to understand her journey. So what am I saying to you as a student? Listen to me. You have a journey. You got this year and next year. The only thing I want you to do is, I need for some of you, because you don't have a lot of energy, because you got challenges at home, you got to watch for some of you got to watch your sisters, you got to watch your cousins, for some of you, you got to go to work. You got all kinds of challenges. And what I want you to do specifically is I want you to reflect back on the song, and I need you to envision your I can't believe I made it moment. So when I was younger, 4247 Locust Street. It was 5 of us in a 2-bedroom apartment. I used to sleep in my mom room. They had like a little car bed. And I would get up in the middle of the night, and I would look out the window strategically, and I would say, one day, things are going to change. Now, I didn't know that we didn't have a whole bunch of money. Mom and Pop did the best that they could. We wasn't poor, but we wasn't balling either. But I said to myself, something has to change, because when I would turn on TV, I would see all these celebrities and famous people. I'm like, how they out here getting it? Meanwhile, I'm sitting at the crib and I'm broke. This don't even make sense. And I thought in my mind that it was something that people were just made up. And then when I discovered that there is a strategic plan that you must do to get you from point A to get you all the way to point B, I said, I got it. Let's go. So when Beyonce said, can't believe we made it, Beyonce is talking about her journey. So I don't want you to get caught up in where people are. I want you to see their journey. Now, I know on Instagram, social media, you only get a chance to see a highlight of everybody's life. So nobody's going to show you on IG like, yo, they taking a pic like, yo, I just got fired, bruh, and they going to upload it. Like, that's not going to happen. So you only get to see a highlight, the good parts of people's lives. But I'm saying to you is I want you to think about your journey. Like, I want you to think about all the ups, all the downs, everything that you have had to overcome in order for you just to be a junior. So here's the one thing I need to be on your mind. 24/7, 365. On your mind should be graduation. You should be counting down. This is the class of what? 2020. You need to be writing it down on the board somewhere. You need to be saying 2020. Your favorite number should be 2020. That got to be the prize. 2020. Whatever I need to do. And not 2020 so I can be a senior. 2020, June, whenever that graduation date is. So Beyonce said, can't believe we made it. I remember specifically Beyonce when she wasn't a headliner. When Destiny's Child, they were not a headliner. What happened was they would go and open up. And as they opened up and they gained experience, Beyonce was thinking about what would happen if we took this thing as far as we possibly can take it. So when she said, I can't believe we made it, she says, listen, I was a young black girl in Houston. I can't believe that I made it this far. Beyonce is worth like $300, $400, $500 million. She's saying, I can't believe that a young black girl from Texas has made it this far. So I ask you the question, what is your I can't believe I made it moment? Here's mine. The first time I said, I'm going to travel, I'm going to get paid to speak, this is about 4 or 5 years ago. The guidance counselor, now this may not be a lot of money, but the guidance counselor, I spoke for 30 minutes. The guidance counselor came to me, she was like, here you go. She pulled out 2 $20 bills. And I was like, hold up. I ain't never made that much money in 30 minutes like that quickly. I was like, ooh, hold on now. I said, I think I'm on to something now. So I said, if I just keep going at this, what will happen? So when she gave me the money, I was hooked, y'all. I was like, that was my I can't believe I made it moment. I was like, ooh, now I'm not getting hundreds of thousands, but I said, ooh, can't believe we made it. I said, Mike, bruh, if they gave you $40, you can go get 100. Got 100. They said, Mike, if you go get 100, bruh, you can get 200. I said, ooh, 200 is coming. Mike, if you can get 2, you can get 5. I was like, ooh, then I got 5. I was like, Lord Jesus, I'm about to have a heart attack. Because I can't believe, like, we here. Then I was able to get to 1,000. I said, what, they paying me 1,000? Then I got to 1,500. Now we at 2,000, 2,500. I'm like, to get up and do something I would have did for free, they paying for all this? And I said to myself specifically, I said to myself, Mike, this is the moment. This is why I'm so thankful. So it is a privilege and an honor just to be able to come here and to be able to be before you.